my God. Yaki da. Hello. So this is how to make a mojito. Sort of. Now, always keep your eye out for a bargain in the shops. This is so simple, you're not going to believe it. This is a mojito mocktail. So it's all the flavors you need in a mojito, but no alcohol. So then that means you got to go and buy a bottle of white rum for 20 quid. Wow, this is going to be so much cheaper. So even better, if you keep your eye out for these yellow labels in Asda, this cost me £1.32. So I got two. Right, we're going to turn this into a strong alcoholic mojito. So simple. Right, first thing you need to do is tip some out, because you need room to put sugar in, and when it's fermenting, it's going to bubble up a little bit. Try and keep the lid on as much as you can, because you don't want anything getting in there other than the two ingredients I'm going to show you. It's perfect. So we've got our two bottles. Then all you're going to need, literally, bread yeast, £1.50 for this tub, and sugar. That's it. Sugar and yeast, and your juice. So transfer this to this. Get one scoop, which I'm using a half a cup, and I'm not quite filling it up. It's maybe a centimetre from the top. Slap that in, let that fall through. As soon as that's in, same on the next one. Not quite full, half a scoop, half a cup, not quite full, and in it goes. And we're almost there. So if you've got a party coming up in a week or 2 weeks, and you want to impress your guests, guys, you can just tell them you've made the alcohol. Like, I don't mean put together things you've bought, I mean properly made the alcohol. So that's going through. Lovely. Job done. Next thing, be as quick as you can, because the tops are open. You don't want that. You want that as little as possible. So then, teaspoon, not even a teaspoon, yeast. 1, 2. Spilled a bit there. Yep. There you go. That's how easy it is. So now, all you have to do is spend a minute shaking it around to dissolve the sugar and sort of mix the yeast up. So now the sugar and yeast is in these bottles. They're shook up. It's all dissolved. Pennies, £1.32, £1.32. You're going to get over 1.5 litres of mojito. Just pour, ready to go. Put your sprig of mint in, use your ice, you know, make it look fancy. They're going to sip it and they're going to think you're a wizard, okay? So that one more important step. Lid on tight, release. Not all the way, just so gas can come out and nothing can get in. So I'll do the same with this one, all the way on, slightly off. And that has just saved you a decent bit of money. So then, all you do, pop them aside, 7, 9, 10 days. You've got your fermented Mojito mocktail, which is now going to be turned into a Mojito cocktail. Okay. I've got to wait a while for this, but you're going to find out straight away what it tastes like. The time has come. It's been 5 days. Now, what you need to do now is siphon off the liquid into a decent, I'm going to be using an old clean wine bottle. So then what you need to do, I mean, you can use a funnel and pour it in. If you've got a steady hand, you can just pour it in. But because I've been doing this for some time, I've acquired some little bits and bobs, makes it easy for me. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to siphon this into the wine bottle. There will be a little bit of sediment on the bottom. Not much, bit of sludge. So don't put the tube right to the bottom. Try and see that it's just above. Keep it about an inch from the bottom. Gravity, it's amazing. I always love how this works. The gravity's got the power to suck it up and then just dump it down into the bottle. See how fast that's going? That's amazing. Look at that. There we go. Like I said, about an inch from the bottom. Yep, get it all in there. And bam. So we now have almost a full bottle of Mojito cocktail. I'm going to enjoy this one later. I'll do that later as well. Yes! So now, the moment of truth. Oh, yeah, smells nice. Let's get a shot or two in there. Yaki da. Mmm. Oh, that is delicious. That is delicious. The lime, the mint, and the alcohol coming up through the nose. Beautiful. But let's turn this mocktail into a real cocktail. Boom, 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 boom. Let's get a slice of lime. Nice thick slice. Lovely. I do recommend using a chopping board. It's only a cheap desk, so don't tell the missus. Mint. Oh, so fresh. Beautiful. Just any piece of mint. Now what I've seen on what I've looked on videos, don't crush it. Apparently just flick it, slap it. Show 'em who's boss. I'm the boss, I'm the boss, I'm the boss. Oh, I think that works. Beautiful. Let's get some ice in there. Don't worry about making a complete mess. It's just for video purposes. Lovely. Nice. Slap that there. I'm just gonna chuck that in there. And I know what you're thinking. You need to add club soda and sugar. Well, because the alcohol's already in there and all the flavours, it's delicious. So what we need to do now is just add a dash of lemonade. That's it. Oh, these stupid lids. Why have they put these stupid lids on? Fuck. Yeah? Oh yeah. I'm not a cocktail drinker myself. I'm more of a lager and lime. That's as far as I go for a cocktail. But get your best stirring apparatus. Give it a mix. Who knows, I might turn into a cocktail drinker. Look at this. Let's turn him upside down just for aesthetics. Look at that. Right. Look at this. Oh my God. Your guests are gonna love you for this. This is phenomenal. The flavour is just sound as a pound. And then you've got the smell of the mint and the lime there. And this still retains the mint and lime. Unbelievable. No wonder it's such a famous cocktail. That is delicious. That's not going to last me half hour. Anyway, if you'd like to just see how to make real simple booze, just 3 ingredients: cider, wine, apple, orange, any fruit juice you fancy, check this video out there. And if you got anything from this, give me a little subscribe. Thank you very much.